Good afternoon, and let me introducing myself. My name is Henera Kirasmirim Ramana, and my student number is 190705098. And today we discuss about syntax and modern linguistic. With syntax, we enter into a level of linguistic analysis that is higher than morphology. I'll talk at place the distinction between the two becomes blurred. Morphology, it is often claimed, has no autonomous existence as syntactical analysis. It includes morphological process. And then is immediate constituent analysis. One of the established method of analyzing sentence is the immediate constituents analysis. It highlights the fact that sense is conveyed not only by the dictionary meanings of word but also by their arrangement in patterns. And then is pre-structure grammar or PSG. Pre-structure rules or grammar consider sentence as linear sequence of elements. The aim is to identify these elements for their function and class them appropriately. And then is domination notion. According to the notion of domination, we can say that the IUX and NV are immediately dominated by VP, and S immediately dominates NP and VP. And then is inadequacious. Pre-structured grammar is itself hammered in with limitation. It is efficient in explaining intra-sentence constituent elements, but cannot show inter-sentence relations such as declarative, interrogative, active, passive, and so on. And then is what is generative grammar? One of two prominent features of the transformational generative grammar, which is very name throws up it's the potential of grammar to generate sentence. And then is competence and performance. The main point at which the TG grammarian differs from his predecessors is the belief that he is not interested in the actual sentence, the given corpus of observed data, but the possible utterance, the facts of what the speaker can produce. His capacity to produce utterance is directly related to his competence. And then is what is transformational grammar? The shortcoming and inadequacies of the pre-structured grammar, particularly its inability to account for transformational relationship, led Chomsky to devise a grammatical system that would cover to the entire language directly by repeat application of a rather simple set of transformation to the string given by the pre-structured grammar. And then is what is kernel sentence. Chomsky distinguished between two types of sentence, kernel sentence and transform. The kernel sentence are the basic construction. From this, the rest of the complex construction are made. And then is syntactic processes. Syntax is the core of grammar. It is necessary to understand and patterns that underline the sentence and I. The ways and means of linking the constituents are the rules transforming one key structure into another. And then is conjoining. Conjoining is also identified by other terms like coordination and conjunction. In these processes, certain parts of two or more sentences are similar in structure. And then we going to move modification. The term modification suggests the syntactic relation between a head word and the elements that is depend on it. This dependent Elements may occur either before or after it. And then is verb phrase. In the example cited earlier, ducks swim. We have labeled swim as verb phrase. It is the second of two immediate constituents. These are colored predicate and embody comments on the topic. That's for today, and thank you for watching my video and my presentation. And I am sorry if there have any if there have a mistake. I'm sorry, and thank you and good afternoon.